What's up, guys? Four-wheeler doctor back again. Hey, I got a little quick video I want to do just to show y'all what I'm doing on this bike. I looked around online and found where the instructions on how to do this, but didn't find any videos. So I know some of us are visual learners, so I want to do a video and show you what I did. What we got here is this is a 2021 Brute Force, and the owner thinks it runs a little hot for his liking, so he wants to have an override fan switch, and I'm wiring up a switch for it. It looks horrible, I know, because all the plastics are off of it, but really all I did was took these black pockets off, the side plastics, and the top piece around the up around the handlebars there. This thing had snorkels on it, is why I didn't do a video initially, because I didn't even think these relays would be in the proper location, but they were, so that's why I wanted to show you. And here's what you want to do. Come in here. On this right side, behind the key switch, the 3 relays are down in here. Let me see if I can show them on the camera here. There they are right here. You see, we got one. I'm gonna pull them off of this little plastic. It's got little slides. You got one that's closest to you, the middle one, and the farther one. This farther one here is the one we need to deal with. It will have a yellow wire, a blue wire, and 2 blue and white wires. And what you want to do to make this fan come on whenever you want it to come on is ground this yellow wire. I'm gonna leave it hooked up like it is, so I can, like I said before, have it cut on and off just like it would factory. But I'm wiring in a switch. I just took a 2-prong 12-volt switch, wiring this in. I grounded one side right there to that bolt on the steering, and I'm going to splice this other side in to this yellow wire here. Like I say, keep the wire hooked up, but I wanted to just show you how it works. This switch is turned off right now. I'm just going to shove the wire in the back here, but I will do it with a proper connection here in a second. But shove that wire down in there, and hopefully it's make a connection. And when you flip the switch on it, it don't come on because the wire is not shoved in. My cameraman just left me, so I'm left doing a 3-handed job with 2 hands. So hang on just a second, let me get him to hold the camera. Okay, so what you want to do is take your wire, splice into this yellow wire here. I'm just going to stick it in here. We'll do it correctly in a little bit. I just want to show you how it works. And when you flip this switch here, if your wire is grounded out, the fan will come on just like that. Turn it off, it cuts off. Now granted, it will run with the key off because the key's off right now, but normally people don't. You can hear that fan running, and normally people won't leave it running while they have the bike switched off for very long, or it will run the battery dead. But the main purpose of this is to do it while it's running. So I'm going to take I actually got some of these fancy little butt connectors. Saw this stuff on line, eBay, or somewhere like that, where you heat it up with a heat gun and it actually seals up everything. It's got some sealant on the sides, and the solder will actually melt together with just a heat gun. So I'm going to splice these into this yellow wire, put those relays back in, and I'm probably going to mount this switch just on the side plastics. And this is a fancy switch, even got a little rubber grommet on here to keep the mud and gunk out of the switch there. So it should last this owner for quite a while. But like I said, guys, I just wanted to show that quick video. There wasn't anything like that shown online, so I wanted to do a quick one. It might help somebody out. All right, guys, hit the like button, subscribe. Y'all have a good night.